Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essentials of safely using scripts in Roblox. It's crucial to understand the risks involved in using scripts, including potential malware and exploitation. Always find scripts from reputable sources. Look for community-reviewed platforms to ensure safety. Before using any script, make sure to test it in a safe environment, like Roblox testing feature. When writing your own scripts, stick to best practices to ensure they're efficient and safe. Utilize Roblox Studio, a powerful tool for developing and verifying your scripts before deployment. Implement security features like validation checks and encryption to protect your scripts from attacks. Be on the lookout for common exploits and vulnerabilities to keep your scripts safe. Stay updated with Roblox scripting guidelines and updates to ensure compliance and security. To wrap it up, always prioritize safety when scripting and remember these tips to enhance your experience.